Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to make a red dot bag. For that we need simple things that are easily available. The first thing that we need is a sheet of newspaper, a thread, red marker, a pen or a pencil. So let's begin. First, open the paper. From the bottom, take 4 finger space and fold it in. Press it nicely so that you get a crease. Now, step 2, turn the page from the right, fold the paper inward. Then, take the other side, fold it evenly, press it. When you open your paper, you get 3 sections. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to take the first fold, and with the second fold, we are going to insert it inside the first fold. Now, this is how my bag will look like. After that, from the top where I have only 3 papers, I'll take 3 finger space to fold it in. This will give me the marking of the portion that needs to be inserted in the first fold. Take both the flaps and just below it you need to insert. Here. Now my red dot paper bag is almost done. After that, what I need to do is, I need to fold this vertically into half from the top. Now, I get a fold over here. Just take the opposite side of the flap that are open. Put 2 fingers, keeping them apart. Take a pen or a pencil and pierce a hole. After that, take one end of the thread, insert the thread in that hole, pull it out, tie a knot, now secure the first knot with the second one. This is how my paper bag, red dot paper bag, will look like. Mark it with a red dot so that when you fold and tie it, the red dot is easily visible. Take the string, tie it over and make a knot in the other end. This is how a red dot paper bag will help you discard your used sanitary napkins. Thank you.